Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Nvidia stock after earnings day, how things are looking like this thing. As if you have seen my last video yesterday after earnings, we were talking about that technicals are still bullish on Nvidia, nothing has really changed, and today, if any pullback comes, good luck, but there was one level I was telling you about that let's actually real quick go on the hourly interval, and I said that that level will show up today close to $1,000, right? So we pretty much we didn't even get a pullback there. We just kept going straight up, right? So in this video, let's talk about like where is this thing going, right? Like in the technicals, we know it's full on bullish. If you have been seeing my videos, you already know this, but I'll still talk about in detail a lot more things. But how high can this thing go after these extensions? Can a pullback can a pullback come, and all of that we'll talk about in this video. I'll take you over QQQ and SPY, and real quick we'll show you a glimpse of all other semiconductors as well, how they have reacted to Nvidia's earnings, and then I'll pick and choose for which dedicated videos on other semiconductors as well I'll be doing today later for you guys. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, guys, so let's start this thing off here. So Nvidia, gap up after earnings. If you want to know more about the earnings stuff, check out my previous video on Nvidia that I did yesterday. And we gapped up above all-time highs 975 over here, right? And yeah, so technically things were already supporting it to be bullish, right? Still, now we have new technicals, new chart, new technicals, earnings has happened. That's all great. Now we can associate the things. And in this particular case, Nvidia is in the same bullish structure. That the structure didn't change, right? And we are, if Nvidia would have cracked below, because through the earnings, guys, charts going to be different before earnings, during earnings, and after earnings. Technicals are different in the sense that the where the technicals left until earnings, things will needs to be things can completely turn itself around if they want to. So that's why it's always going through the earnings and after earnings and before earnings, get prepared for technicals to be completely different. In this particular case, yes, technicals are still different. It's just that the association is still in confluence with that bullish structure that we were in, and that's why I'm associating in the confluence here things. So yes, higher highs, higher lows. We never broke the support level of 932, and we kept holding that. So things looks much more clear if I take you to the hourly interval. You can see even yesterday, before even the earnings, things came to that intersection point of our trend line and that $931 level. And guys, so yeah, speaking of this trend line, Nvidia is full on bullish, right? Like you can see this trend line is straight, still being held across these levels. Now the thing is that it does, yes, it's bullish, right? Now the thing that we have to be watching is the candles itself here. So Nvidia is going up after that gap up as well. And first of all, let's see the candle here, the hourly candle. Am I seeing any sign of sell-off, cool-off, consolidation? No. So this thing is not showing me any signs of cool-off. I mean, at this point, if any cool-off comes, there is a support sitting at $1,023. All right, so you can see how different the technicals have gotten. Like, forget about, I mean, I don't even know if this trend line is going to come anymore in the validity or the retest. Nvidia is way far. That's what I'm trying to explain, that technicals and chart has changed already. And that bottom trend line, yes, it has held support. It still technically can be used, but I don't even think it's going to be retested anytime soon. And because we will be developing a complete new technicals over time now from here. So Nvidia, yes, this level of 1023 is an important level. Any pullback on this area is just going to be a support on this if any pullback comes. Right now you can see any like candle, like I'm not seeing any slowdown on Nvidia here, right? And I mean, yeah, like let's go to the 5 minutes actually, guys. I mean, there is nothing you can find here that for any slowdown. No. Even like, so all the pullbacks are getting bought back up. For any intraday cool off, if it comes, I mean, that will be very minor and little cool off, guys. That may come maybe to 50 moving average on the 5 minutes. Again, guys, 1023 is a really good support right now. We have broken out of it and found a support as well in the pullback. So right, at least for right now where the price action is, this is morning update. I'm not seeing any signs of bearishness on Nvidia, put it simply, right? I know it's very, right now, this is what it is, guys. This is not complicated. Nvidia is not a rocket science right now. Okay, so yeah, at this point, yeah, pullbacks at least for a day, in my opinion, will continue to be bought back up. Even for tomorrow, if any pullback comes, I think that will be bought back up. But I'll talk about it more once the market has closed, and then I'll do another video on Nvidia. All right, let me real quickly show you AMD post earnings sell-off reaction. Not AMD's post earnings, but Nvidia's post earning. This requires another video completely to do. I'll do that. And I have done this yesterday as well, that get ready for the cool off. But Nvidia's earnings definitely distorted for some time, everything pretty much. But I'll talk about it later. ARM is reacting around that channel still. You know, so again, I'll try to do another video on this, but definitely over the weekend for sure. But yeah, it's been still holding into that channel though. So Broadcom testing all-time highs again, but selling off at that all-time highs. Let's see if it continues at least down to 20 days moving average. That's a possibility. And then SMCI is also a little bit selling off in that. This, I'll do another video on this, but this is selling off. But it's, you can see it's finding support at 50 days moving average. So what do we make out of it, right? I'll talk about it, as I said, in the video that I'll be doing later today. Micron tried to go all-time highs, is selling off, but anyways, we have been calling out this bullish structure and it has been still holding that bullish structure. Structure is not broken on this unless it doesn't break below 124.91. So it's still bullish. All right, let's take a look at QQ and SPY real quick. And so QQ all-time highs, guys. Again, it's, yes, we have a red candle, but it's still bullish. All right, a red candle a little bit gapped up and then selling off, but it's still bullish in the sense that we haven't changed any structure. Structure on this is still bullish. It's so bullish that even if we come down to $450, it will still be bullish. All in all in the structure. All right, and if any intraday cool-offs has to come, that will come below 454. Otherwise, no. SPY gapped up all-time highs, selling off, coming under again that all-time highs of 531. But the structure on this is not bearish, not even on, well, intraday, sure, you can try to trade this cool off. When it broke the level of 531, you can try to trade down intraday only. There is no structural change on the long term as for the swing. Overall structure is still bullish on SPY, and it has a lot of room to stay bullish even until 524. All right. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Nvidia is, yeah, guys, it's simple, easy peasy. Technicals here, it's full on bullish. All right. So yeah, and I'm not even seeing any sign of weakness on this right now. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.